Child support numbers are often wrong for truckers, and it's not because anyone is lying or avoiding responsibility. It's because trucking income is structured differently, and systems don't understand it unless it's documented clearly. Child support calculations are usually driven by reported income data, not context. The system looks at what is reported, how often it is reported, and how consistent it appears. For truckers, income is rarely consistent on paper. Miles change, rates change, weeks fluctuate. Per diem may apply. Business expenses exist, but systems don't interpret those nuances automatically. When income is reported clearly, categorized properly, and documented correctly, systems can read it accurately. When it's not, the system fills in the gaps. And those assumptions are rarely in your favor. This is where structure matters. This isn't about avoiding support, it's about being calculated correctly. Truckers don't usually have an income problem, they have a reporting problem.
It's Rigs to Riches route.